Now it's time to choose your theme. Just head on over to Appearance, Themes, and a theme is basically the design base that your WordPress website has. That's the foundation of the design of your website. There are thousands of WordPress themes out there, and any well-coded theme will work with LifterLMS. In this demonstration, we're going to use the theme made by LifterLMS for LifterLMS called SkyPilot. Here we are on the LifterLMS add-ons and more screen, and on this page in your website, you can get SkyPilot from here. After you get SkyPilot from the LifterLMS website, you can also add it by clicking Add New and uploading the theme as a zip file. Now let's take a quick peek at what SkyPilot looks like on our website. SkyPilot makes LifterLMS courses, memberships, and really the whole learning experience beautiful. You can see what it looks like here on an individual course. We can jump into a lesson and see what SkyPilot looks like. You can also customize it to your heart's content by going into the dashboard, clicking on Appearance Editor. And because SkyPilot is a full site editing theme, you get all kinds of options like around the color scheme, the typography, links, buttons, and so much more. There's a lot of detail and power in SkyPilot, and there'll be links below or around this video where you can learn more about how to use it and customize it to your heart's content. And before we go, you can see one of the other great features of SkyPilot is this beautiful, customizable student dashboard.